Mac Python graphical user interface here again, and today I'm gonna show you a little application that I built with PyQt5 and Python. It's a simple calculator, and let's start it. Here we have our two values. The first value is get from the slider value. We can choose from 0 to 100, and also the same for the deal. We can select any number between these intervals, and we can choose uh, between these four operations. So let's start it. I will operating add operation. We can we are seeing our result, our answer. We proceed with an add, and also I show the operation here in this table. We can make a subtraction, we can make a division and a multiplication. So we can update our value and start to move. As you can see, this cell is updated as we change our operator as equal to this. So this is my simple operation, my simple calculator that I built. I hope this can give some ideas of the potential of Python and Python 5. I would like to you subscribe, to hit the like button, and comment with the tips of future videos, future applications. I have some plans, some ideas. I hope I can um, put new video twice a week, but I am the beginning of my channel, so any support is important. So guys, I really appreciate your time to watching this, to see my video, and until the next, guys, bye.